Hello and welcome to Python Hack Series. My name is Peter, and today I want us to talk about the enumerate function. And this is how the enumerate function normally works. It's going to index for us, it's going to track for us the position of each element in this particular object called cities. So we will use the index keyword to be able to track. So this is like a tracker that's going to track for us the element, each city in this iterable object. And so we use the enumerate function, which is inbuilt in Python, and we pass in the cities as an argument. Okay, and so now what happens as an argument, and we want to have a nicely printed output here, and of course I like using string formatting, so we will use string formatting here. So we can just say the city there, and of course we grab this variable called city in position. We grab this variable calls now a variable, even though it's used as a tracker as well. The city in position, or we can just say the city in position. The city in position is city. Yeah, so basically how this works is that we are tracking in every element and its position, and you can see here what we have a nicely printed output here for us, but we can also add something here by just so for instance adding some sort of string manipulations over here. So this is gonna ensure that this variable, this every element here is in uppercase. And let's see the output now. So we get this nicely printed. We get this nicely printed output for us. Yeah.